Okay, I'm warmed up. Let's do this. Of course I'm ready. The script? No, I'm gonna wing it. Are you ready? Monday, Unboxing Pez Show starts now.
Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez.
Hello, Pezzers, and welcome to the Unboxing Pez Show. Today we get to open new Pez, and you're here too, and that makes today special. So let's get to it, shall we? It's in this orange paper, orange bubble. Whoa. Hey, it's kosher Pez candy. That's cool. And there's an official seal up there. Wow. And it says real fruit, real good. Gummy snacks. Let's see, assorted fruit. And there's the seal under the supervision of Rabbi Benjamin Gruber. Wow. Well, it's a very generic looking card, and we like it. But free the Pez, I always say. Free the Pez. We'll have to try this kosher candy and see if there's a difference. See if there's a difference with this candy. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. Pez, 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 the greatest candy, the greatest candy in the world,
The greatest candy in the world.
Pez, the greatest candy in the world. And a toy you can play with. Let's check out this toy. Paskesz. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Paskesz? Paskesz? I'm not sure. Real fruit. Paskesz. Paskesz? Someone will tell me. Paskesz. I don't know if that's an S. Yeah, Paskesz. Paskesz. I don't know. But it's a big rig with movable wheels. With the printed side. Paskesz. Big rigs. Check it out. We gotta ship these Paskesz out.
The Unboxing Pez Show will return after these short messages.
It's fun. It's delicious. It's Pez.
And now, back to the Unboxing Pez Show.